all, hope you are fine and preparing well. So I am back with another analysis video. It is about IBPS PO prelims. Date is 30th of September and my shift number is 4, which is last shift. My humble request to you all is to comment your attempt section wise and also please mention your shift number, if possible date also. Without any late, let's get started. Let's start with the English section first. First one is about closed test. 2 or 3 questions were easy, but remaining questions what I felt is more than one answer is correct. I mean, just examiner confused us like that. Another problem is I don't know the meaning of every option. So based on the tense, I am saying that more than one answer is correct. So except the 2 or 3 remaining, I felt like confusing. So in this closed test, 2 or 3 were easy and remaining were moderate. Next one is RC and it is about artificial intelligence, especially in IT field. In that field, the artificial intelligence is good or not. Just like closed test, I felt again this synonyms as confusing one, because one synonym is like we should mark the answer for the emerging, the word emerging. We should answer the synonym for that. But in this raising and rising, I am confused between these two. So I left this as an unanswered question. And also I am not sure about one question in this RC. I don't even remember how many questions I marked, because I answered this RC in the last. So out of 10 questions, my attempt in this RC is very less compared to the remaining section. So next one is phrasal replacement. I felt this as a moderate one, just like a closed test. Of course, PO paper is like a moderate one. But same like a closed test, I answered 2 or 3 questions in this. Remaining questions were difficult and I didn't attempt that. I think my attempt is 2 out of 5 in this. Next one is word swap. This was moderate. In this section, I got one answer as no change required for one question. Please do comment that if you got no change required or not, so that I can check, and so many people will check that. Checking in the sense analyzing their attempts, like whether they are correct or not. So please don't forget to comment. So next section is error location, and in that section there are 3 questions in the question paper. This is first time that I didn't find any error in that question. I mean, in the first instance I didn't find any error. And my bad luck in this exam is my mouse didn't work properly, so my attempts were less when compared to you. And I didn't find, as I said, that I didn't find any error in this error location questions. My attempt is 0 out of 3. So my attempts are very less in this English section. And also due to that mouse, so much of time was wasted. My overall attempt in this English is 14. Please do comment your attempt also. Next section is about the quant. So let's discuss about the quant section. First question is about, Q1 and Q2. Q1 is about finding the p value. Q2 is in 60s or something value. So I got Q1 less than Q2. Overall Q1 I got the answer in 40s. Next one is quadratic equations. In these quadratic equations, the equations are like finding values of a and b, the roots of a and b. I got roots as 5 and 2 in a, and for b I got 6 and 7. Q1 is like the values of a plus b, and Q2 is like the values of a into b. I got Q1 less than or equal to Q2. Please confirm that if you got this answer, please do comment. So next one is about mensuration question. It is like L value, B value and A value. A, the side of the A is equal to the breadth B of rectangle, and the length value varies between 7 and 17, the prime number between the 7 and 17. So there will be 2 possibilities for that. One is 11 and second one is 13. And also it is given that L plus B equal to 20. So 11 and 13, if L is 11, B will be 9, and if L is 13, B will be 7. So there are 2 possibilities, and the answer is, we should find out the area of the square, which means A square, and A is equal to B. Answer did not contain the 81 as the answer, 9 square. I didn't find out the 9 square, so 49 is there. I marked this one. So please do comment this also. If you got this answer, please do comment. Next one is about mixtures question. Overall solution is 25 liters and we removed 10 liters from that. So remaining is 15. Answer is 10 because x liters were removed and x equal to 10. Please do comment this also. And next DA is about 4 or 5 persons and the books they read. the books they read in 2018 and 2021, and this was easy DI, but questions are somewhat tricky. In those 5 questions, 4 were direct and the 5th question is about the maximum possible one, and I think that question answer is 17 or 18. I don't remember perfectly. If you remember the answer, please do comment 18 or 17 like that, the maximum possible value, and the value for 2020 should be less than 24, and we should find out the value for 2019. Another question answer is can't be determined in this DI. If you get that answer, please do comment. Next one is about caselet and also one tabular DI. I didn't even attempt a single question from these two because I have no time left, and also there is timing in red color, and I attempted all the approximations in that red color timing last 5 minutes I think. But if you struck in between these two DIs, you will not answer all the questions because they are very tricky. Not tricky, they were just lengthy. And next one, number series. For this also there is no time left for me, so I left all the 5 number series. My overall attempt in this quant is 16. Of course it is very less, as I said that my mouse is not working properly. So let's go to the reasoning section next. First one is syllogs. In the syllogs, as usual, I got one answer as either or. Please confirm this in comment section. Remaining syllogisms were easy. I think 3 or 4 syllogisms. I answered this in the red color timing, which is in last 5 minutes. And next one is puzzle about 5 members, 5 months and also 5 countries. In this puzzle, I got one answer as none of the options is correct. Please do comment if you got the same answer. Next one is blood relation. Blood relation question is like B has 2 daughters. I missed that logic and I am doing like B has only 1 daughter and I am not getting the answer, so I didn't mark the 2 questions in this blood relation. So I missed that logic that B has 2 daughters and 1 son. I didn't attempt this. And next one is 10 people, 5 months, and the dates were 9 and 26. I attempted this. This one is easy. And next one is pairs. I got 5 pairs and options contain only more than 4, remaining were 2, 3 like that. Next one is about 7 people who are sitting in circle, inward and outward directions. This is also easy and I answered this. Next one is about set 10 members puzzle. I got 27 members. Overall that line has 27 members. Please do comment each and every question you know. Don't bother that your comment will be very long or lengthy. No problem for that. So my attempt in this reasoning is 23. There is some problem with my mouse. Every time when I mark the answer, I should drag it very hard. So people from my shift are attempting 4 to 5 attempts more than me. So this time the chances of my selection is very less. 50-50 chances I think. So many people attempted 60 plus for this paper, but I don't know how accurate that attempts are. My attempt is 53. Coming to the cutoff will be between 50 to 55 I think. Last year it was 49.75 or 25 like that, and last time there were more posts compared to this year, so we can expect the cutoff in between this 50 and 55. I have only 50-50 chances and I am very sad about that. Anyway, all the best for your mains exam, and also we have another mains exam which is IBPS clerk mains on October 7. All the best for that also. And people who are watching this video, if you are from the same shift, please clarify some doubts if you know, so that it will help so many people to analyze their marks, to analyze their attempts. Every time I say please do comment, it is because not for me, for everyone who is from the same shift. All the best for the mains exam and see you all in the next video.